Yo, welcome back this morning on a junkyard adventure. So we're just gonna head down to the junkyard. I need to return that bumper back there because that was for the Altima, and yeah, I picked up the wrong one. I didn't know that yeah, I did say I wasn't gonna make any more Altima videos. I'm not. I'm just returning that to the junkyard. I didn't know that 2009 to 2010 was totally different, even though they look exactly the same. But yes, they're different. So we're just gonna head down there and return that, and maybe pick up some other things while we're there, and just look at some stuff. I want to show you guys some other things I've seen there the last time I was there. Most likely, they're still gonna be there. So let's take this journey down here to the greatest place on earth. Yes, the junkyard. So we'll pick back up with you guys as soon as we get there. Also, we have a merch drop. I did get shirts and hats in. We have black, white, and gray. I'm gonna post them right here, the shirts, and then we also have this hat. Just visit my site down here, down at the bottom. www.ByrdRebuilds.com, and pick up a shirt. Support me, please. Please. Oh, I got a Motion Auto TV shirt on. Yeah, I actually got a lot of his t-shirts. He was Trevor was one of the first YouTubers that I had subscribed to and started watching many years ago. And the reason why I started watching him is he was working on his Datsun 510, because I had one also. So that's why I started watching him, and I've been watching him ever since. So made it to the junkyard. It's so dark and gloomy down here, down here in Fort Worth. It's not that bad up in Denton. It's actually sunny and bright. But what I want to show you guys, which is a sad moment. Look. Alrighty, we have an element. So the reason why I'm here, I was actually thinking about buying this door because of mine is damaged. Not severely bad, but bad enough where I want to replace it. This one looks like it's okay. It's got like a little dent here. It's got another couple little dents here and there. They do have another element here, but it's a newer model. So therefore, the door's inner parts are a little bit different because it doesn't have all the what is that? The seat belt restraints and stuff in it. This one does. This one's another. I think this is a, what year is this? 06. Okay, so this is a 06 element. But man, this is sad. I probably could have fixed this. No, I'm pretty sure I could have. Let's see if any frame damage. Yeah, they're a little tweaked there. So she's in a little rough shape. There's not any other parts I need off of here, I don't believe. Let's take a look inside. I know some people was like, oh man, I need this, I need that. Can you get this? Can you get that? Oh, none of them, I guess it's a thing that all the steering wheels, they all, you know, do that, like break loose from the frame. But yeah, she's in bad shape, guys. Now here's the key. Ooh, even the key is bent. But I don't have any other use for this besides this door. Yeah, it's nothing else that I need here. Oh, let's just walk around it one more time just to make sure. if they had all these plastics, I probably would take them. But that one is damaged. And the other side, I did take one off the last time I was here. No, actually, that one over there, that was for that side. I think it had survived because it's here in the back. Let's see here. That one won't open, but it's right here. It just a little bit of the paint off of it, but other than that, it's okay. This seat is still good. Oh, okay, so the 06 they did have the side airbags. I know the 03 they didn't. Let me see something else here. Something else caught my eye. Oh shit, a bird. Oh, it's probably his nest. Oh yeah, it is his nest. I'll close that back. So you go back to his nest. I ain't gonna bother him. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I came to pick up see if I can find some tires. Cause I made out good last time I was here with tires. They was actually brand new. I think they was what was it? I'm trying to think. 2021. So they was actually, and it was just $22. So $22 a tire. So that was really, really good. I think that's it. I don't see anything else here I need. Besides, I did need a little part for the front bumper of the Altima, but I still have the original one, so that should be fine. Where did I put my tools at? Oh, okay, right there. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit more. If I find anything else, I will pick you guys back up. So the other element I was telling you guys about, it's right here. Let me show you. Let's sit here. I don't know. Let's see. What year is this? 2010. It shows it right here. 2010. Dang, it's sad to see. I believe this one could have been fixed as well. Yeah, it would have been extensive to replace that. But the frame rails are straight. Probably just need a fender, maybe the skirt pulled out. That's closed. Not the skirt, but the inner structure here probably need to be changed. Anything is fixable. It's just if anybody wants to put wrench time in it. But when these big companies come in and buy from Copart, I think this was bought from Copart. It doesn't say, but you know, all they want is to buy the cars for the parts, and then it gets crushed. That's why so many of them are gone. I mean, it's still amount out there, but a lot of them could be saved. It's sad. I know. All right, I think that's gonna wrap it up here today at the junkyard. I have nothing else to pick up or anything like that. I did walk around, look at a few things. Today is a $15 seat day, so if you find any seats, if you're a club member, you can pick up any seat, no matter leather, back seat, cloth. It's all $15. That's what last time I put in the Element, those Mazda seats, and I was actually looking for a Mazda to see if I could find those same seats, but I didn't find the one that I had. So other than that, let's pick back up in a car because it's kind of gloomy out here. All right, so I left the junkyard, didn't find anything. I even stopped by another one for a few minutes. They didn't have anything there. Anything that I need, I'm looking for a navigation system for the Altima, and they didn't have any Elements because I wanted to get that door, but I think what I'm probably end up doing is just probably fixing that door and rhino lining it. And I probably, to make it look decent, I probably have to do both sides all over again. Because the passenger side, it has some blotches in it that I wasn't really happy about, and I have to do some more research just to see if I can actually recoat over the rhino lining. It just needs one small coat over the passenger side, and the driver's side, of course, I got to fix that door. I really didn't want to have to do any major. It's actually not major, so I can actually sand down the rhino lining. I have a dent puller. I can pull the dent out and just use like body filler, like a skim of body filler on there, and then prime it, probably paint it just to protect it, and then go ahead and re-rhino line it, because I still have a lot of this green paint. I think I have a half a pint of this green paint left over. I have to double check and just to make sure, so I could just repaint the door and then rhino line it. But I know I have to purchase a couple bottles of the I think it's transparency or transparent rhino lining. It's like a clear. It looks milky cloudy, but then you put the paint in there, then the rhino lining becomes the same color as the car. Yeah. So that's my plan. I'm hoping to get it done soon as I get rid of these. I'm gonna start on it probably when I get rid of these other two cars. I still have the Jeep. I finished most of that yesterday, and I just have the bumper to fix on the Altima. Just painting. I have a new bumper, so I just have to paint it and get that car gone as well. So I'm gonna try to get both of these cars done, the Jeep and the Altima, by the end of next week, and try to get them out that following week. I probably try to I want to get them both done before next week. I have a windshield the windshield's going to be replaced in the Altima probably on Monday or Tuesday. I'm not sure. The guy that's supposed to come out and do it, he said he's sick or something, so that's not a problem. I'm not in a big hurry about it. Other than that, everything else is going good. I will drop another video here soon. I am getting the Element windshield replaced as well, because it has a big crack and bullet wound over there. So I'll probably gonna go ahead and replace that one as well. So until then, guys, thank you so much for coming along with me to the junkyard. It's almost been like a routine thing every Saturday morning, besides the days I have to work. But other than that, thanks guys so much, and please don't forget to pick up you a hat or a t-shirt, whatever the case may be. Like I said, it's just a limited time of that first generation of shirts, so please pick one up, and that's it. Thank you guys so much. Please comment, like, subscribe. Until then, later.